Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting the transfer now. Make sure your Apple Watch is on your wrist and the iPhone is unlocked and within a few feet. Open voice memos on the iPhone and the recording app on the watch. If you use the watch's voice memos app, locate the file right away. Once done, make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on both devices so handoff can occur. If recordings are recent, they'll be ready to sync. Continue without delay to initiate the actual transfer. Now initiate the actual sync. On the watch, open the recording, tap Share and pick AirDrop or Send to iPhone. AirDrop appears instantly when devices are close. You'll see a prompt on the iPhone. Accept it and choose where to save the file, like voice memos or files. If you rely on iCloud, open voice memos on the iPhone and pull down to refresh so the watch upload appears. Make sure the transfer completes before moving away. Watch the progress indicator until it finishes. Finish by confirming the file plays on your iPhone. Open it in voice memos to trim or rename for organization. If the file didn't arrive, don't panic. Toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, restart both devices, then try sharing again. Once you've retried, make sure both devices are on the same Apple ID and iCloud account if you use iCloud Sync. A reliable troubleshooting tip: if transfers keep failing, use AirDrop directly from the watch to the iPhone and accept the transfer immediately to bypass iCloud delays.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.